In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in TradingView. Getting your chart's time zone right is essential because it affects when your candles open and close, how session boxes line up, and how you interpret price action throughout the day. If your chart time doesn't match your local clock or the market you're following, signals and session cues can feel off. Let's fix that in a few quick clicks. Start on any TradingView chart. Look to the top right of the chart area for the small gear icon. That's the Chart Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. If you don't see the gear, make sure your chart isn't in a compact layout or full screen mode that's hiding icons. Resizing the window usually brings it back into view. Inside the Settings panel, go to the Symbols tab. This tab controls how your current instrument is displayed, and it's where TradingView places the time-related options for the chart. In this tab, you'll find a drop-down labeled Time Zone. It's typically near the Sessions or Time Zone/Sessions section, and it might show your current choice, such as your local time, the exchange time, or a city-based time zone. Click the Time Zone drop-down, then select your preferred time zone. You can choose a specific city if you want a fixed reference, your local time if you'd like the chart to follow your device clock, or the exchange time if you prefer to see the market in the exchange's native time. If you're not sure which to pick, local time is great for day-to-day tracking, while exchange time helps when you want your chart aligned to official market opens and closes. Keep in mind that time zones adjust for daylight saving where applicable, so using a city-based option ensures those changes are handled automatically. As soon as you select a new time zone, your chart updates instantly. You'll notice the timestamps along the bottom axis reflect your choice, and any session shading or custom session templates will shift to match. This also helps alerts and indicators display time in a way that's consistent with what you're seeing on the chart. That's it. You've changed the time zone. The setting typically sticks with your chart layout, so you won't have to repeat it every time. If you use multiple layouts or devices, just repeat these same clicks wherever needed. And if you're on mobile, the path is similar in the chart settings. You're all set to read your charts with confidence, in the time zone that makes the most sense for you.